Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? Nice to meet you. We meet again in our class. Today we are going to learn about should and shouldn't. What is the meaning of should and shouldn't in Indonesia? Yes, should seharusnya and shouldn't tidak seharusnya. Okay? Are you ready for study with me? Should and shouldn't. Should is a modal verb. We use should and shouldn't to give advice or to talk about what we think is it right or wrong. You should means something like I think it is a good idea for you to do it. You shouldn't means something like I think it is a bad idea for you to do it. Should is used to express opinion of speaker and often follows I think or I don't think. For example, you look tired. I think you should take a nap. Ali works very long hours. You should take rest for 3 hours. I have an English test tomorrow. I shouldn't worry if I were you. You have worked really hard. You shouldn't watch TV for a long time. It makes your eyes tired. Okay, students, from my explanation about should and shouldn't, please do the tasks about should and shouldn't. There are 10 questions for you. Don't forget to write the question and then answer completely. After this, send to Ayu. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.